Hello friends, here I came up with new English speaking video which will help you to enhance your English. If you guys want to sound more professional and fluent in English, then this video will definitely help you. Sometimes we use most of the words with very, but I brought some words which will let you change those very words with the advanced ones. So instead of saying very bright, we are going to say radiant. But the meaning of radiant is same as very bright. So in this video we will going to learn these kind of words. I will tell you many words along with very, and your task will be you have to take any 5 words from that and use them in sentences and write them in the comments below. So as I told you, the first word is very bright and its advanced word is radiant. How can we use that in sentence? The bride looked radiant in her wedding dress. Very tired. Exhausted. After the long flight, I was completely exhausted. Very hungry. Starving. Is dinner ready? I'm starving. Very excited. Thrill. She was thrilled to get the new job offer. Very big, massive. They live in a massive house on the hill. Now I will going to tell you the combination of the word with very and its advanced version too. First of all, I divided these words in some parts so that it will be easy for you to understand. Our first part will be from feelings. We are going to learn some words which are related to feelings. Very happy, ecstatic, very sad, sorrowful, very angry, furious, very scared, petrified, very worried, anxious. Now we will going to see some words which are under size and space section. Very small, tiny, very crowded, bustling, very empty, desolate, very wide, expansive. Now let's learn some words under appearance section. Very clean, spotless, very dirty, filthy, very beautiful, gorgeous, very ugly, hideous, very shiny, gleaming. Now let's learn some words under the title intellect. Very smart, intelligent, very stupid, idiotic, very creative, innovative, very clear, obvious, very confusing, perplexing, very serious, grave. Now let's see some words under conditions. Very hot, scalding, very cold, freezing, very dry, arid, very wet, soak, very noisy, deafening. I hope guys these words will help you, and when you will use these advanced words in your daily life, you shouldn't say very radiant. You just have to say radiant because the word radiant is already carrying very in itself. So I hope guys this video will help you. Stay tuned for more videos like this. And don't forget to do your homework. You have to pick 5 words from this list and make their sentences and drop in the comment section below. Till then, bye. Let's end up this video here. Thanks for watching it.